Yo, what's up? Welcome to a tutorial to my combat system. And yeah, let's just dive straight to it, into it. So I got here, I got my character, I just imported it, and I got a sword, and I already got an animation blueprint for him for the idle state and just for running and idle. Yeah, just for walking idle. And I also imported three animations, if you can see. So first, what I'm gonna do is just go to the hand R because I want to add a sword. So just add socket. I'll call it sword R, no, sword underscore socket R because it's right hand, and just add the preview so we can see where we have to place the socket. If you can see, it's also really big. Let's just change it. I think 0.25 will be fine. Yeah, yeah, that's fine. Now we're just gonna place it here. Boom. And yeah, you can do this more precisely than me, of course. But I'll just fine with this. I'm fine with this. Perfect. So we got the socket. And now what I'm about to do, just follow me. I'm gonna copy these things. I'm gonna duplicate this one. We call it, character game one. You can name it whatever you want. And I'm gonna copy this one. And I'm gonna copy one of these two. It doesn't really matter. Okay. So, and this one I'm gonna rename to Sword R because it's like the right hand sword. Okay, perfect. We got this done. Now I'm just going to the character first, and we're gonna change a few things. Um, yeah, let's just change. Obviously, we change this character. We're just gonna change this. We assign the animation blueprint. It's way too small, so I'm gonna perfect. Let's just keep this as hitbox. Delete. Well, we'll delete these later. And now I'm just gonna add a static mesh, so I'm gonna add sword to him. Add sword, get his sockets we just made. Perfect. Now I'm gonna add a box collision, because yeah, will be cool. Yeah, put it in and let's just call it sword collision. Easy. We have a sword collision. I'm gonna put it here. So how big do we want this collision to be? Let's just make it a little bit like bigger. Boom, perfect. Looks great. And let's also add, just go to this sword collision and add on begin overlap. Also, this is a really important step. Don't forget this. Go to sword collision, generate overlap events set to false. Make sure to set it to false. Also, I am gonna disable the collisions for the sword, so no collisions for the sword, but make sure to get the sword collision to generate overlap events false. And now I'm just gonna copy this code. Boom, because we just want the normal. And boom, put it in here. Damage actor, obviously this one. Okay, now we can delete this code. Don't need it anymore because we already have this sword collision, and we put it in here. Apply damage. Now we can also delete these things. Yeah, you can't even see them anymore. Sphere R and sphere L. So we got this right now. What I'm about to do now is go to the combo we just duplicated. So ANS combo 1. Go to this, notify begin. So if you can see here, what I got here is calls to character game. Well, we're not using character game, so delete these both. So we do calls to. So what you named it, I named it character game 1, and this the character will play the player, and type this check increment. Check increment is a function, and boom, that is now ready to go. And also the fist, we duplicated this. We called it, I think, NS R. What you're gonna do now is go to notify begin. So here you already see the first problem. We just delete this. We want our character. Character game 1. We just made, and then we type get and the sword collision, and oh my bad, get sword collision. And if you scroll all the way down, you can already see it here always. Perfect. Let's make sure to assign it. I'll just copy paste it. It will be 10 times easier. And here we go. Just get this in here to make sure. Yep. So that should do it. And now we only need to add a few last things. It's obviously these animations we got, the attack animations. We want a combo. Just select them all and create any montages. Easy peasy. And yeah, what we're gonna do is this will be the final attack of the combo. So we just start with this one. This will be it. We create a section, and in this section the sword can hit other players. So from this to this, if a player is in this hits the sword in this section we just made, he will get damaged. And after, make sure you put it always after, like around here, we make it ANS combo 1. We also just duplicate it. Doesn't make it's not really important how big it is. Like this doesn't really care. Just put it in here, and this will mean like if you press another left click again, he will immediately do another attack. Like he goes to the next attack. So let's just finish this up real quick. So this will be the second attack. Let's put like the damage when he can get hit from this to this. Perfect. And after, I think, let's just say here, looks nice, we can go to the next attack. And this will be the final, so we won't not give it like the combo animation notifies. We won't give it the animation notify state, so not the combo 1, but we do want to give it the ANS sword R, because this will be the final. And yeah, let's just keep it like this. And then we go here, and we obviously assign the animations you want in the normal attack animations in this array. Let's just go boom, boom, and oh my bad, I clicked too fast, way too fast, and they're all gone. Doesn't really care, you can put so much as you want. And oh, they're here, perfect. I did not lose them, luckily. 3 and 4, perfect. That's done. And now if you see here, this array here, normal attack damages, this means this index will do this amount of damage. This index 1 will, and index 1 at this time, it will, this animation will do this amount of damage. So you can, like, each attack does a different amount of damage. And I think if we put all this together, it should be done. Or I forgot something, I don't know. Let's just check it out. I did. We obviously won't go to the world setting and put our new character in it. Like here, go to the world settings, character game 1. Also, everything is replicated, so it should work really well. Look at this, it is replicated. We can run, we can sprint, jump, and if we just attack, boom, boom. Look how neat. Also, it does do damage, so it's also damageable. And yeah, that's all there is to it. Let me just show you real quick how the damage works. Just print string. Character game 1. That'll do. And let's check it out. If I just hit it here, boom, it does do damage. It did 30 damage because the first obviously the first animation we assigned here, it does 30 damage. So yeah, that's all there is to it. This is the uh, tutorial, just how to add like just a character with sword collisions, and yeah, how to assign like the combo, how to make the combo system. Yeah, see you.